What's going on? I've got two quick court cases to share. Both of them are a little weird in their own way. But yeah, these are two just short ones to start us off on our day. Hopefully you enjoy them. I'm Colin. We're cooling. Let's go.
So you're here on a charge. Morning. You're here on a charge of interference with public duties. That's not the right charge. Hold on. That's what we have it in as, but I think it's supposed to be interference with emergency request for assistance. So it's a 911 call charge. I got to get the documents updated real quick. On that one, do you think you want to hire your own attorney, ask for court appointed, or wait and make that decision later?
Your Honor, the 911 operator was talking to both of us. I don't understand how come I'm being charged.
Yeah, I don't mind double checking. Let me get the charge updated first.
I mean, we was in a one room, a hotel room, and we both were talking to the 911 operator. And
October 3rd.
I got locked up. I'm getting charged for it. I mean, I'd rather just plead guilty if that's what it is and let me go, because I didn't do nothing. I didn't touch nobody. I was just talking to the 911 operator right along with her.
All right, where did it go? There it is. There.
I don't understand how I'm being charged with something when we were just talking to the 911 operator.
Bad.
I mean, wasn't no violence or nothing. We were just talking to her.
Warrant
She was trying
number.
to get one of us to split up. One of us to go one separate way. I guess she had told the police another story, and now I'm being locked up for something I didn't do. I didn't do no crime.
Yeah. All right, give me a half a second to get this fixed, and we'll double check it.
Okay,
Okay. Update. Okay. Blankenship. Mag form. Refresh. Awesome.
all right.
There we go. I'm gonna make sure my signature's saved. It did. And then order of commitment, update, and bond pulled out, which is fine. We got that fixed there. Awesome. All right, affidavit. I'm gonna go back in and look and see what's going on. Disturbance, unit 102. Officers have dealt with you over and over.
Me and my girlfriend always arguing.
It might be time to find a new girlfriend then. If she's landing you in jail, it's not a good situation.
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Call the police. I'll give you a reason to call the police when you guys made a statement she was going to call police. While having the phone in her hand, Albert grabbed the other half of her phone, began tugging on it. Had to grip the phone extremely hard to prevent you from taking the phone, caused a new phone's protector to crack. Observe the cracks in the phone.
That phone been cracked, Your Honor.
Despite everything, she told me she didn't want you to be arrested. She didn't want you to have to go to jail, but the officers thought that you needed to. Drove to threatening, putting hands, said it to each other.
No, she didn't want me to go to jail, and I sure ain't do nothing to go to jail.
Yeah, they were alleging she tried to call 911 and you took the phone away from her and were pulling it away from her. So it's a low bond. I didn't jack the bond up or anything.
I don't have any money for bond, Your Honor, but I didn't do anything to go to jail, though. I mean, we was both talking to the 911 operator, and 911 operator asked her to take a walk, and I told her I'll take a walk, and I started walking.
All right, on that one, do you want to hire your own attorney, ask for court appointed, or wait and make that decision later?
I don't have any money.
Okay. All right, two signatures. The first says you understood your rights. The second says you're requesting court appointed.
So do I have a bond or something?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
All right. Do we have Pena Alexander?
Yes, sir. Hello.
Hello. They're all.
All right. All right. That one was just a little bit of a goofy one to start off the day. I've got one more. We're going to Judge Lee, I think it is. And we have Judge Lee losing his temper. He doesn't do that very often, but it's a short one. It's about 2 or 3 minutes. That first one, MGT sent me. So, MGT, thank you so much. I didn't say thank you in the intro, but I'm saying thank you now. All right. Yeah, I think this is it Judge Crumb? It might be Judge Crumb. Hold on. I'm just going to hit play.
And
Let's
that's
see.
that. Is
Judge
that
Lee.
Miguel?
I was right the first time. Judge Lee, and we have Regier. All right, anyways, this is another short one. Let's go.
Shane Schwartz?
Yes, sir.
All right. Case number is 25 CR 431. If counsel would state their appearances, please.
Jared Regier on behalf of the state.
And you are Michael Schwartz, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Schwartz, are you represented by counsel?
No, like I told you last time, I didn't have the funds yet. I still have to give him $500 more. I'm going to get that done today, and then he'll be ready. But I
All right,
hadn't-
my notes reflected on September 19th, you were to put in an application for court-appointed counsel before the following Tuesday. Have you done that?
Well, I was under the impression that I made too much money, so I was trying to procure. I really wanted to pay for a lawyer, to be honest.
All right, you were also told to appear in person.
I
Or
talked to the
from
lady.
the attorney's office, and are you at the courthouse now?
No, sir. I called and talked to the lady at the district court's office about it, and she told me that I could do it on Zoom.
Well, yeah, and I imagine she wasn't aware that you'd been told that you had to be there. If you go and ask other people that weren't in the courtroom, it's very likely they're not going to tell you the same thing that the judge told you.
Sure, I
Now,
don't
there
remember.
was 2 things that you were supposed to have done, and you've done neither of them. You were supposed to apply for an attorney so that this case could be moving forward, and you didn't do that, and you haven't showed up where you're supposed to be.
I'm trying to apply for attorney. I got to pay the money.
Sir, you haven't done that. You have not submitted an application. You've tried to avoid doing this. Now, I'm going to set this for the next hearing. You are to appear at the jail or at the sheriff's office. If you fail to do that, I'm going to issue a warrant for your arrest. I'm pretty close to doing that right now. Is that understood?
Yes, sir.
If you don't have an attorney, you need to apply for one. If you're
Okay.
wanting to have an attorney, otherwise you can represent yourself. I don't generally recommend that, but I'm not going to just keep continuing this thing so that you can just stretch it out forever. Do you understand?
I'm not trying to stretch it out, sir. I mean, everything was taken from me. I'm doing the best I can.
Mr. Schwartz, I've already gone over what I need to go over with you. And your next court date is going to be October the 17th. You are to appear at court security. And don't be calling around asking other people if that doesn't happen. You understand that?
I didn't do that, but yes, sir.
If you don't if you haven't hired an attorney, then you need to have applied for one, and you need to do that by Tuesday, October the 7th.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Regier, anything further?
Yeah, Your Honor.
This matter is adjourned and the parties are free to go. Thank you.
All right, that's it. Told you, just 2 short ones to get us started on our day. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Yeah, that's it. That's all I got. Hit the like button, leave a comment, do all that fun stuff. That's it. That's all I got. Till next time, bye.
Fucking